Democracy TV Lon Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors Halatko ni Shillong ringkat baganet foodish Ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dobyeng jongpi
President jong Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent H. Pala uba longru MP jong Shillong Lok Sabha Constituency hagala singi ublay ka arpsantarik ubna yayong arjar arpuar ula ong ba udon ka Thmu ban Ïakhun ya ka Elekshon MLA syagayeng dorbar thawan ka jilla ka ban salong house nem arjar arpulai lada ka party kamyo ya ukertong uba biang Hakajing ekran bat kilat patai kubor uba Vincent Pala ulay itu uba ulay jet ia ka Sutnga Constituency ban aireng hagani ka Elekshon bat ia ka rai ka bakhaddo unsa pen benahau benal jemang mentaus nem arjar arpuar.
Actually, we had a meeting in Sutnga BCC. Most of the members told me that if we don't have a good candidate, so I should contest. And I think I will be contesting also because very soon we'll be having a meeting. On the 3rd, I'm going to my village and at the same time we'll have a meeting in the block. So maybe on the 3rd we'll decide the date where we'll be finalize the candidate. But at the same time, if I contest, I have to talk also to Delhi. I had initial discussions with them, telling them that if we don't have a proper candidate, I may contest. So they told me that they will send the information. Tomorrow I'm going to Delhi and I'll be meeting not only me, a few senior leaders also going with me to Delhi for the meetings. So I think we'll decide very soon. Maybe within May we'll be deciding. But I'm very keen to contest also. At the same time, I think since everybody has, most of the senior leaders have left us or some of them are about to leave us also. So definitely we have to come, we have to do whatever resources we have, whatever possible we have, we should utilize it.